Hi, I'm Shamapte, and today I'll show you my morning skincare routine. So, yeah, let's start with it. And I'll be starting with Uriage thermal water. So, for this morning routine, today I won't be using any cleanser because my skin is feeling kind of sensitive. So, yeah, this toning cleansing would do for me. And this Uriage thermal water is very soothing. This is my most favorite thermal water ever. If you want something for soothing your skin, this is it. This is great for summer. It is my summer must have, but I have to say this is not that hydrating. For second step, I'm using another toner. This is from Isntree. This is the green tea toner. This is again very good soothing toner, and this is summer and I mostly use liquidy skincare stuff, and this is from Round Lab, their pine cica serum. Again, it is very calming and very lightweight. And the fourth step would be this ordinary copper peptide serum. This is for targeting signs of aging, and it works really well. Whenever my skin feels extra sensitive, I stick to mineral sunscreen, and this is from Gabit. To be very honest, for summer this sunscreen is kinda heavy, so I won't repurchase this for now. I'm just trying to finish it, but for winter I'm gonna be buying it again. And yeah, I try to layer it properly. You can see I'm going in for the second time because I want good coverage. So yeah, and I'm kind of diligent with sunscreen. And yeah, whenever my skin feels irritated, sensitive, I prefer mineral sunscreen because they work best, because zinc, it has soothing properties. And for my body, I'll be using Wish Kiss body sunscreen. I forgot to shoot it while applying it, but yeah. So next I have my lip care routine, and for that I'll be using a lip tint. Then I'll be using one SPF based lip balm. This lip tint is so pretty from the Face Shop. I mean, very beautiful. And this is from Dot&Key, their SPF lip gloss, which also has very good color. Smells like coffee. Now it is the time for perfume, and I'm using Elizabeth Arden's green tea perfume. This is a perfect summer fragrance. See, I'm done. But yeah, I have oiled my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair today. And thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.